Once again, I'm making use of these salvage slides, but the ones that I have are a little bit too long. So I'm going to cut them to length just by trimming off the end that doesn't have the roller. A few years ago, I came up with a way to mount these so that you can't see them when you open the drawer. And I thought I would do that here, mainly because it's kind of an interesting technique. So what I'm making here is the part that actually goes inside the cabinet, that one part of the drawer slide mounts on. I didn't record putting in the first drawer because that's usually where you make all your mistakes and take the longest to do it. But I will show putting the second one in and how it all works. To help line up the parts, I cut strips of plywood to the right width and use those to mark the locations. Those strips that I made that I attached one half of the drawer slide to get screwed down on the inside of the cabinet. The doors and drawer fronts on this cabinet are inset, so everything has to be spaced in from the front by 3/4 of an inch, and I'm using a small block of plywood to do that. This method of installing the drawer slides is a trade-off. You don't see them when you open the drawer, but they take up more space underneath. However, you can make the drawer wider than you normally would as well. So that might be a big advantage right there.